Hello everyone and welcome. I am Mrs. Kajanli, Senior Lecturer attached to the Department of Marketing Management, University of Vaunia. Here I want to give a small talk for our students regarding their 4 years time and how they can utilize these 4 years precious time in their university life in an effective manner. Actually, university is not simply an extension of school. It's a place where you can charge of your own learning. This is the time to develop not only subject knowledge but also critical thinking, problem solving, and leadership skills. Once these 4 years are gone, can you replay them? No, isn't it? So when it comes to these 4 years time, how will you use them? That's the question all the time you have to have in your mind. First of all, when it comes to the academic excellence, your academic work forms the foundation of your university experience. Attend lectures, tutorials, and practical sessions with focus and commitment is your primary task, isn't it? Apart from that, building good study habits by reading beyond the syllabus, engaging in research projects, and asking questions, these are also integral part of your learnings. Therefore, make a full use of the University of Vaunia's resources from the library and e-resources through the guidance of faculty members. Remember, your degree is your passport, but the skills you build while learning it are your true tickets for your success. So all the times, remember this. Moreover, dear students, university is also a rich environment for personal growth, and outside the classroom also you have to all the time focus and maximum utilize them. So join the students clubs, societies, sports teams, and cultural groups also will be adding meanings in your university days. Along with that, also participate in debates, clubs, innovations, competitions, and volunteering activities. Also focus more on these. These activities definitely will develop essential skills such as teamwork, communication, resilience, and creativity. Because nowadays, you know, the employers, they are not only looking after your academic excellence, but they are also valuing who you are and how you can contribute in diverse situations. So university is one of the rare places where you can experiment without the fear of severe consequences. So grab this golden chance in your life. Another thing, apart from the academic excellence, is building networks. That matters a lot. Indeed, the relationships you build during university can last lifelong. I'm assuring that, because connect meaningfully with peers, seniors, lecturers, and alumni will be lasting for your lifelong learning and success. So these networks often will lead you to get into relationships, internships, job opportunities, and collaborations forever. And also embrace the respect to diversity at the University of Vaunia, since we come from different regions, culture, ethnic groups, different perspectives. So I strongly believe that this diversity is a strength that enriches us all. Next, when it comes to extracurricular activities, this is the part mostly students are missing in their university life, the extracurricular activities, because the academic and extracurricular activities are not rivals, they are partners in shaping your complete personality. So learn to manage your time wisely by using planners, setting priorities, and avoiding procrastination. Above all, take care of your health, both mental and physical, because as it's the foundation upon which all your achievements rest. My dear students, in the coming years, you will write the story of your own university life, isn't it? So, as the University of Vaunia offers you knowledge, opportunities, and a vibrant community, but what you make of it is entirely up to you. So let's commit today to excel in your life through the academic excellence, through the extracurricular involvements, and creating your networks. So grow yourself with more confidence and make yourself as capable citizens and ready to shape your future. 4 years may seem long, but they pass in the blink of an eye, isn't it? So let's make every day count. Thank you.